Car wash soaps are essential for safely removing dirt without damaging paint, preserving shine, protection, and long-term vehicle appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best car wash soap that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Meguiar's Car Wash Soap. Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax is a standout choice for drivers who want professional-level results without extra steps. Its clear coat-safe formula blends natural Carnauba wax with advanced synthetic polymers, allowing it to gently remove dirt while reinforcing existing paint protection. Unlike ordinary soaps, this wash doesn't just clean, it actively enhances your vehicle's finish. One of its most impressive qualities is the deep, glossy shine it leaves behind. In a single wash, the formula cleans thoroughly and delivers a just waxed look that noticeably boosts color depth and reflectivity. The rich, foamy suds play a crucial role here, lifting grime away from the surface to reduce the risk of swirl marks and scratches during washing. Designed for easy paint maintenance, it's ideal for use between full waxing sessions, helping your car maintain a fresh, polished appearance year-round. The pH-neutral formula ensures compatibility with all Meguiar's washes and waxes, so it cleans effectively without stripping protection. Overall, it's a reliable, efficient solution for safe cleaning, lasting shine, and everyday paint care. Now our second product is Mother's Car Wash Soap. Mother's Carnauba Wash and Wax is an excellent choice for drivers who want a fast, effective way to keep their vehicle looking freshly detailed. Designed to clean, shine, and protect in one simple step, this formula gently lifts away stubborn road grime and dirt while enhancing your existing wax layer. It's ideal for routine washes when you want visible results without spending extra time on separate products. The ultra-sudsy action is a key highlight, as it creates a rich foam that helps loosen contaminants from the paint surface, reducing the risk of swirl marks during washing. Despite its powerful cleaning ability, the soap remains pH balanced and biodegradable, making it both paint safe and environmentally considerate. After rinsing, the results are immediately noticeable. The Carnauba enhanced formula leaves behind a smooth, spot-free finish with a warm, glossy shine that brings out the depth of your paint. Overall, Mother's Carnauba Wash and Wax delivers dependable cleaning performance, added protection, and an impressive shine, making it a practical and reliable addition to any regular car wash routine. Our third product is Panda's Car Wash Soap. Pearl Car Wash Shampoo delivers a premium detailing experience designed for both professionals and passionate enthusiasts. Its high-foaming, ultra-slick formula produces thick, luxurious suds that cling to the vehicle's surface, providing exceptional lubrication to safely lift dirt and grime. Whether used with a wash mitt, foam cannon, or pressure washer, it ensures a smooth, swirl-free wash with consistent results. What truly sets Pearl apart is its pH-balanced, biodegradable formula. It's tough on contaminants yet gentle enough to preserve waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings, making it ideal for regular maintenance washes. Environmentally conscious users will also appreciate that it rinses clean without harming the planet. The formula is equally kind to your hands, avoiding the dryness and irritation common with harsher soaps. Adding to the experience is a refreshing lemon scent that replaces chemical odors with a crisp, clean fragrance. Backed by the Rennie Doyle Double Black Collection, Pearl offers trusted, detailer-approved performance that delivers professional-level shine and care with every wash. Now number 4, 3D Car Wash Soap. 3D Wash and Wax is a smart solution for car enthusiasts who want professional results without extra steps. This premium wash and wax formula is infused with protective wax polymers that clean effectively while delivering a slick, high-gloss finish in a single wash. After rinsing, your vehicle looks freshly detailed, with enhanced shine and smoothness you can both see and feel. The pH-balanced formula is designed to be tough on dirt yet gentle on existing wax, sealants, and ceramic coatings. This makes it ideal for routine maintenance washes, helping preserve your paint's protective layers between full detailing sessions. Its super foamy suds lift and trap grime while reducing friction, minimizing the risk of swirls and scratches during washing. Another standout feature is the easy rinse. It washes away cleanly without leaving residue or water spots, making drying quicker and easier. Made in the USA with over 25 years of car care expertise, 3D Wash and Wax delivers dependable, showroom-worthy shine and protection with every weekly wash. And our last choice is Turtle Wax Car Wash Soap. This wash and wax formula delivers a safe, effective cleaning solution designed for modern vehicle care. It easily removes road grime, dirt, and residue while providing a super slick, scratch-free wash across all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, rubber, metal, and plastic trim. The versatility makes it a dependable choice for full vehicle maintenance without switching products. What truly elevates this formula is its advanced blend of synthetic wax polymers, which enhances color depth and gloss for a noticeable, show-quality shine after every wash. The addition of ceramic CO2 protection creates a durable, water-repellent layer that helps resist dirt and contaminants, keeping your vehicle cleaner for longer between washes. Ideal for routine use, it can be layered over existing waxes, coatings, or other Turtle Wax hybrid solutions ceramic products to boost protection. The simple bucket wash method makes application easy and efficient, while the tropical fruity fragrance adds a pleasant touch to your detailing routine. Overall, it's a well-balanced wash that combines gentle cleaning, enhanced shine, and lasting protection in one convenient step. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.